Imagine a sea of people in the streets of Tehran. In 1979, they courageously removed the Shah. This pivotal moment ended centuries of monarchy. It sparked the creation of the Islamic Republic. But this revolution was more than just a regime change. It marked a bold declaration of a new ideology. What was this revolutionary ideology? It rested on three core principles. First, it fiercely opposed Western imperialism. Second, it advocated for Islamic governance. Third, it embraced resistance against perceived oppression. These principles created a cohesive identity for the new regime. Iran's foreign policy took a decisive turn. The country positioned itself as a champion for the oppressed. It sought to lead movements against global powers. This ethos became a key driver of Iran's actions on the world stage. Regionally, Iran's influence expanded significantly. It supported various movements across the Middle East. Groups like Hezbollah in Lebanon received backing as part of this strategy. Iran framed assistance as part of a broader resistance axis. This narrative played into its opposition to Israel. Revolutionary ideology helped sustain Iran's refusal to recognize Israel, deepening decades of conflict. Globally, relations dramatically shifted post-revolution. Hostility with the United States intensified over time. The hostage crisis set the stage for a tumultuous relationship. This would eventually lead to ongoing sanctions and nuclear disputes. In contrast, Iran often aligned strategically with countries like Russia and China. It used revolutionary rhetoric to resist Western dominance and assert its place in global politics. The legacy of the revolution doesn't merely center on actions. It defines Iran's identity and its foreign policy ethos. Today, this is still evident in Iran's stance on various conflicts. From Syria to Yemen, its revolutionary ideals guide tactics and alliances. In summary, the 1979 Iranian Revolution was transformative. It shaped not only Iran's identity but also its role in the region. Understanding this legacy helps clarify both past and present dynamics. To learn more about the impact of ideologies around the world, subscribe to our channel. Join us as we explore deeper and share knowledge together.